Hey everyone, my name is Siddhan Rameshwaran and I'm 11 years old this year. And boy, am I excited to present to you a magical science experiment on invisible ink. I know, right? It's like magic with secret messages. And the best part is, we will become science detectives. So, let me introduce you to the materials for this experiment. We will need a cup of water, a mixing cup, a cup of baking soda, a cup of grape juice, and two paintbrushes. So, without further ado, let's head on to the experiment. So, the first step is we will mix the baking soda and the water in the mixing cup. All right. We will need to mix equal amounts so that we get the perfect science experiment. All right. I'm gonna pour this. Perfect. So we've completed step one. Now, step two, we will use the paintbrush and write our secret message on the blank paper. Can you guess what I'm writing? All right. Patience. All right. Can you see? Pretty sure not. So now, while we wait for this to dry, let's talk about the dangers of my experiment. So, you must be careful not to touch your face during the experiment and be careful to always clean up if anything is messy. So, we've come to the end of our experiment. But before we end, I'm going to show you the ending result of my experiment. This is the final step. And to do it, we will need the grape juice and another paintbrush. So I'm going to just pour the grape juice over the paper, which will reveal our secret message. All right, it is come to life. Can you see it? It says magic. So thank you, everybody. And until next time.